Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be introducing some more nouns relating to places. The focus is on the country of Jamaica, and I will be giving the Oy'Nissh translations in Guayfemir and Veeliksa for the country, counties, and parishes. I invite you to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so you can be posted with the latest videos. Thank you. In English, Portland. In Guayfemir, Puchemia. In Veeliksa, Puchemia. Thanks again to you all. It has been a journey in terms of the parishes of Jamaica. Now I am down to the very last one, the parish of Kingston, capital of Jamaica. So see you in the next video.